seen it before, PRNDL, but what does it actually mean? Today we're breaking down the gear selector in an automatic car and when to use each setting. PRNDL stands for park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sometimes low, depending on your car. Let's go one at a time. P is for park. Use this when the car is stopped and turned off. It locks the wheels so the vehicle doesn't roll. Always make sure you're in park before turning off the engine or exiting the vehicle. R is for reverse. You'll use this when backing up. Always come to a complete stop before switching to reverse and check your surroundings before you move. N is for neutral. Neutral disengages the engine from the wheels. It's rarely used in daily driving, maybe at a car wash or when pushing the vehicle. But remember, in neutral, your car can roll, so keep your foot on the brake. D is for drive. This is your go-to. Shift to drive when you're ready to move forward. From stop signs to highways, drive is what you'll be in 99% of the time. Some cars will have other modes. This will depend on your vehicle. You may see an S, L, or even an M. So remember, P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, D for drive, L for low gear. Every letter has a purpose, and the more you drive, the more second nature it becomes. That's PRNDL explained. Stick with InSpire KC Driving School for more driving basics, and we'll get you road ready one step at a time.